Can James Vineeth visit our organization and train our team? Can you really help us in terms of KPI gamification? How do we avail your services? I'm actually personally making this video to clear all of that. What we bring for you together in our BEC Business Empowerment Coaching Program is a blend of training, coaching, and personalized inputs for your organization. Because if you want to grow, it needs to be 70% systemized and 30% customized. Because even if people are changing, your systems need to be solid so that people are able to adapt to your new systems as well. A short profile, as you know, I'm the author of this particular book. I'm working on my other books. A lot of books keeps getting released these days. Happy to be featured as one among the top 10 promising business coaches of India. Also featured as part of this cover story. These things have been our offerings before. Glad to be able to work with 125 types of businesses, and we've gamified more than 10,000 KPIs. You name the industry, we've kind of been with them, we worked with them. Be it manufacturing, import, export, jewelry, trading, retail, whatnot. The whole idea of this coaching is to help entrepreneurs to really gear their organization in autopilot mode. And what do we actually cover when it comes to deliverables? These are the list of things, starting from your organization's vision, goal setting, P&L. It might look like a whole lot of things on the plate, but let me tell you, if people ask me, what is that one good thing that you're really strong in? I would say, I'm a jack of all trades and the master of KPI gamification. KPI ultimately changes how an organization grows because we have to touch KPI. We literally had to touch other areas of organization. As simple as that. When we define KPI for accounts team, we have to start talking about cost control. We have to start talking about compliance. When we create KPI for marketing team, we have to start talking about CRM. We have to start talking about cross-selling, upselling, and whatnot. So the heart of any organization is KPI gamification, and that's exactly where we specialize in. So there's a whole lot of things that are being covered when people sign up with us for coaching. But we all know time is a limitation and we will not be able to work with so many organizations at scale. And that's exactly why we've created Growth Foundation International. It's an amazing ecosystem for entrepreneurs to become members where I'll work with them virtually on every single week in terms of helping them to take their game to the next level. All the details about how to be a part of this organization, what all you get, everything is featured over here. But if you think this is still not enough, the whole idea is we've kind of given things in DIY model, do it yourself model, where you can actually cut, copy, paste the templates that are being given to you. You can actually go back and implement that in your business. But still, if you have that appetite of growing 5x, 10x, I need direct intervention so that I can scale faster. The good news is you can pick up BEC coaching, business empowerment coaching. Along with all these benefits, you get some really deep, powerful benefits as well, where every week, along with Trustful Thursday for members, I'm going to be doing something called Ninja Training. This is only for closed entrepreneurs where we can challenge each other for high-end growth, right? And the best part of it is we can make your growth as sustainable. How to make growth sustainable? That's where our second organization comes into picture, which is called Train and Coach. This Growth Foundation International is purely for entrepreneurs to be a part of it. And the Train and Coach website is to equip your employees, equip your team members. Because we've worked with enough organizations to know that suppose we travel with you for 3 months or 5 months or 6 months. After that, we see a decline in terms of systems being followed, because if we just work with the core team or the cream team and the CEO, that's not enough. We need to work at a grassroots level. That's when real 360-degree transformation is possible. That is why we created Train and Coach as well. You can actually go through this and you can see, you can compare all these plans. But let me tell you in a nutshell, what happens if you're part of the big coaching is the entrepreneur gets coached. There's a weekly ninja special training. Also, all your employees are under our Train and Coach platform. In Train and Coach, we have something called Evolve, Jetpack, and Mastery. Basically, according to the organization level, we onboard all your employees inside this website. We ensure people at all levels, be it as mid-level management or people who are leaders of certain departments or people who are your core team. There are multiple modules available for all of them, be it sales team, HR team, marketing team, digital marketing team, technology team, business heads and department heads, zonal heads, all of them are included in this. So this is the perfect plan for you to choose, and once you're part of this, you would be eligible for me to directly come and visit your organization, because visiting your organization for 3 days 4 days is not a big deal, but this is the foundation. Once this foundation is so clear, when we come for your organization's visit, we can achieve things much faster, right? And only for people who are looking to seriously tie up with us in terms of business empowerment coaching and wanting to invite us directly for the organization, we've got this special link. It's called Dream Call with James Vineet. You can actually click this link in the description below and you can try to book a 30 minutes direct Zoom meeting with me. And this is only if you're seriously considering to get into this. Otherwise, if you just want more information, feel free to speak to our team. They'll give you all the information that's required. But if you really want to speak to me before you could, make that big move, I'm available to talk to you so that we can see how far your business can be taken in an autopilot mode. This is totally automatic. It syncs with my calendar. You just have to go and find out your available time and just fill in the details and the meeting is all set. Thank you, James Vineet, signing off. Bye bye.